Emir Sanusi amazes Nigerians and declares who can dethrone him. A federal high court sitting in Kano yesterday nullified the reappointment of Muhammad Sanusi II as the 16th Emir of Kano, but Kano state government, in a swift reaction after the ruling yesterday, insisted that Muhammad Sanusi remained the 16th Emir of Kano. It also asked Ado Bayero to vacate the Gidan Nasarawa mini palace where he had been living after his removal for demolition. Alhaji Aminu Daba, Alhaji Aminu Baba Ngudi, who holds the title of Sarakin Dawakin Baba, had, through his counsel Ibrahim Aliyu Nasarawa, filed a motion dated May 23rd, in which he asked the court to restrain the Kano State government from implementing the Kano State Emirates Repeal Law 2024. The law has been repealed. The law had repealed the 2019 Emirate Council law that established 5 emirates from the original Kano Emirate. With all emirs sacked, the 14th Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sanusi II, who had been sacked by the Abdullahi Ganduje administration in March 2020, was reinstated as the 16th Emir to replace Aminu Ado Bayero, who was consumed by the repeal of the law. Dissatisfied with the development, Baba and Dangudi took the matter to court to seek a reversal of the removal of Bayero. The respondents were the Kano State Government, the Kano State House of Assembly, Speaker, Kano State House of Assembly, Attorney General of Kano State, and Commissioner of Police in Kano. Others are the Inspector General of Police, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, and the Department of State Services. Delivering ruling yesterday, Justice Abdullahi Mohammed Liman declared that all actions carried out by the state government following the passage of a Kano Emirate Council Repeal Law 2024 were null and void. I hereby order that every step or actions taken by the respondent in pursuant to Kano Emirate Council Repeal Law 2024 is null and void and is set aside. However, this order does not affect the validity of the law, he said. He also ordered all parties to remain the status quo ante and held that the respondents were aware of their earlier order dated May 23rd to maintain status quo pending the hearing and determination of a case. I think it is a very serious matter for anyone to flout the orders of a court and go scot-free with it. The catastrophic situation could have been averted if the respondent followed due processes by complying with the court order, which would still have allowed them to carry out the assignment, he said. Mohammed Liman granted the respondent's application for stay of proceedings pending hearing and determination of the application at the Court of Appeal on jurisdiction. I hereby transfer the case to Justice Simon Amobida, Federal High Court 3, he said. Earlier, counsel to the applicant, MS Waziri, has urged the court to nullify the Kano Emirate Council Repeal Law 2024. The counsel to Kano State House of Assembly and Speaker, Eyitayo Fatogo, told the court that he had filed a notice of appeal at the Court of Appeal and a motion stay of proceedings. Fatogo also applied to be recused from the matter, asking for an adjournment to enable his client find another lawyer and pending hearing and determination of his application at the Court of Appeal on jurisdiction. Counsel to Attorney General of Kano State and the state government, Mr. A.G. Wakil, aligned himself with the position of Fatogun. Also, counsel to the Commissioner of Police, Kano, and Inspector General of Police, Mr. Sunday Ekwe, told the court that the duty of the police was to maintain peace in the state, adding that was why they did not file any response on jurisdiction issue. Recall that the State House of Assembly had on May 23rd dissolved all the 4 newly created emirate councils in the state. Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf on that day dethroned the 15th Emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero, and reappointed Muhammad Sanusi II as the Emir of Kano 4 years after he was dethroned by former Governor Abdullahi Ganduje. Sanusi remains Emir, Kano government insists. Meanwhile, Kano state government insisted yesterday that Sanusi remained the Emir of Kano Another the State Commission of Police to remove the 15th Emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero, from the Gidan Nasarawa mini palace for demolition of the building. The State Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice Haruna Isa Dediri, accompanied by the Secretary to the State Government SSG Bafa Bichi, gave the order while addressing newsmen at the Government House. Dediri said Bayaro should be removed from the property where he is trespassing, as the government had already concluded arrangement for the general reconstruction and renovation of the property with immediate effect. He said, and I quote, the Kano state government acknowledges the ruling by the Federal High Court regarding the Kano Emirate Council Repeal Law 2024 and views same as upholding the rule of law. By the ruling of a court, it has unequivocally reaffirmed the validity of the law passed by Kano State House of Assembly and assented to by His Excellency the Executive Governor of Kano State on Thursday, May 23rd, 2024 by 5:10 p.m. This part of the judgment is very fundamental to the entire matter. Further implication of the ruling is that all actions done by the government before the emergence of the interim order of the Honorable Court are equally validated. This means that the abolition of the 5 emirates created in 2019 is validated and the deposition of the 5 emirs is also sustained by the Federal High Court. By implication, this means that Muhammad Sanusi II remains the Emir of Kano. The judge also granted application for the stay of proceedings until the Court of Appeal deals with the appeal before it on jurisdiction. Happily, the signing of the law and the restatement of His Highness Emir Mohammed Sanusi II were done on May 23, 2024, before the emergence of the interim order which was served on us on Monday, May 27, 2024. Following this court ruling, Kano State Government has directed the State Commission of Police to remove the deposed Emir of the 8th Metropolitan Local Government from a government property where he is trespassing, as government has already concluded arrangement for the general reconstruction and renovation of the property, including the demolition and reconstruction of a dilapidated wall fence with immediate effect. Now, wetin dis thing mean na only court see no be even courts na governor. In fact, as I see am, I don't really know, but me, I know that the wrong thing that was done has been corrected. That is how it sounds to me. The energy wey Sanusi give this man when dem carry am, when dem tell am say oya shush, carry yourself comot for that place. He shush comot, he even pack him family comot for Kano State. You understand? Leave them and their wahala. So my own, I am so keen on whoever wants to talk anything. Sanusi don't pay in dues. It is time for Ado Bayero also to pay in dues, because what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Alright, on this note, you've come to the end of the news. So thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.